ကျွန်တော်ပစ္စည်းလေးငှားကြလို့ဗျကျွန်တော်ပစ္စည်းလာငှားအော်ခေါ်သေးတယ်ဟုတ်ပါမင်းတို့ပွဲလုံးမဲ့ဖွဲ့ရလားအော်ဟုတ်တယ်ဟိုကျွန်တော်ခုနလေးမရောက်တာရန်ကုန်လာတာပါဗျဘေးဒီမှာပြန်လာတာIf you want to, we will be here. Okay, see you, bye. Đó sao thà đi để?
Hả? Cái này. Ồ, đúng không? Em lúc đó. Yo, mà đó, what is you bare? Anh đâu vậy? Yo. Ngã lên đi, giải cả thằng yên rồi hả? Nhiều là rất xa. Yêu mà.
Ngon muốn cái bộ mặt thà cái này. Ngọc là cái này.
Vào nó.
Ha, nhớ là thuê để thay chuyện này là?
À, nên là thuê đi cái.
Ha, đã số lúc lên sâu này mẹ.
À, cái này xịt ra, cái này nó.
Ồ, đi chết mà, hậu thế.
Lava.
I'm Ria, Regional Manager of Asia Cultural Fund. Nice to meet you both. Who is Nailin? You or him?
I'm Yalin. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Hey.
Yes.
Hi. I'm Andy. Who are y'all? You. Welcome. Nice to meet you.
You're so sweet. Is there anything I can help you guys with? Like, is there everything going fine with the cinema?
လုံးဘာပြောနေမှမသိဘူး
ပြောလေးမင်းကမပြောပြီးတော့
ငါမသိတော့လေ
မသိလေပြောကွာမင်းရတယ်
လုံး
လာပြီးတော့ခုမှ
What are you guys talking about?
No, nothing special. Get each other.
So, shall we go to the cinema?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Great.
Inside.
I'm really glad this worked out. I mean, we have been just waiting for that to happen. I was like, oh. I'm good. I'm alright. Yeah, thanks.
အော်ရှစ်ဒီ तू က Asia Culture Fund က Regional Manager လေသူ့နာမည် Ria တဲ့ Ria she is
Hi. I'm Yadi, Finance Manager of the festival. Nice to meet you.
Lava, I'm Ria. Nice to meet you too.
Actually, we arrived really late this afternoon, so we haven't really had a chance to prepare for anything yet. So if you're reporting for our activity, then tomorrow would be better.
Well, I just wanted to see the state of the cinema. I've been in this town for a while, but haven't been here yet. So I just wanted to see if you guys needed something.
Let me show you around.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
သူ့လည်းပြလိုက်ရမယ်။နင်လုံးချက်ရှယ်လောက်ထားလိုက်ပြီနော်။
အော်ရပါတယ်ငါလည်းလိုက်ခဲ့ပါလေ
You okay?
Yeah. Just having this splitting headache. Haven't been sleeping for the last few days, So I'm just gonna head back home. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.
Okay then. I'll send you back.
Right? Thanks.